under the counter hidden cabinet strips. The power surge protectors, something new people are doing. We're remodeling the kitchen over here. And I got this junction box. I think I paid like $8 on Amazon. I just put in under the cabinet junction boxes and it came in. So it was a little box. It was a little box with the, just a junction box with the 2 screws. I'm gonna show you guys real quick. And then I ordered these on eBay. I think I paid like $13. Cool thing about them, they have a Type C charger over here and 3 USBs and also 4 plug-ins. It looks like it's about 12 inches long. They do make longer ones, just to let you guys know. There's a button here. I don't exactly know what it's for because I just installed these, just showing them off and letting people know this product's out there. Real cool idea. The previous junction box was in the wall right here, and we removed it and moved it over here, so now it's pretty much hidden at any adult's level. So I put another one over here, and I moved them from where they were on the wall, being when I'm going to put my backsplash on here. You're not going to see no boxes on the wall, so that's pretty cool. It'll have a nice cleaner look. So talking about putting them in installation strip here, obviously you guys know what a power strip is. See what that looks like. Got some cable clamps over here. Are out there, the cable clamps, and also make sure you get the right size. This one says 1/4. So sorry about the music in the back. Is because stuff like this isn't available at your local hardware stores. So, I mean, it's real slim, nice and sleek, and you can hide it under your counter. Use a hairdryer to get the sticker off. A hairdryer being heating it, and then peel it off real slow, and then the sticker will get off. Sorry about that. So that's what these are called, Baz Junction. Baz Junction is what it were. So I'll put that box on there so you guys could find them on Amazon. You know how to wire up junction boxes. You just put the wires to the hole, put them in, and these go upside down under the cabinets with the 2 holes. And I'm trying to talk loud because the kids are real loud. So then you're gonna screw this up under the cabinet, so it's got a real slim look. Real basic instructions, just showing those off and letting you guys know that these products are all white. It goes with white. It's all common sense. And twist it with a wire nut. Real simple, basic here. Make sure to turn off your power before you start touching stuff. Receptacles, gold ones usually go on black, and white goes on a silver screw. All receptacles are like that, and green goes with ground. Sorry about the yelling again. So there you go. If this video helps you out and let you know if this is what you want to do under your cabinets, let me know and give me a thumbs up. Thanks for watching. Smart.